I'm Kyler, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your wear components on your SnowDozer Wing plow. So what these components are your curb guards, your skid, your rub bar, and then back here is your hinge block. So we're going to start by taking off the rub bar and then the curb guards. So these are 5/8 bolts, so that means you have a 15/16 socket, and these are also 5/8 bolts. So next what we're gonna do is stick our floor jack underneath our skid here, and then we're gonna loosen all of these 1/2" bolts. So those would be a 3/4 socket. Now we're gonna remove the hinge block. So this is your hinge block here. When you replace a new cutting edge on your plow, you're gonna also need to replace this. And there are two different variations. So we have one of these for a standard steel cutting edge and the Advantage. So the Advantage just has an extra step in it. So just make sure you get the right one when you order it. Okay, now to put your new one in, you take your 3 plow bolts and just go ahead and throw this up. Now when you get your new skid, you're going to want to take these same brackets and then just switch it over to the new skid. Now I'm going to tighten all these bolts up. Now we can put our new rub bar on. Then lastly, we'll put all new curb guards on here. Then to put our last one on the back, we're going to want to fold the wing out halfway. That way we can get the bolts in easiest. And that's all there is to it.